We are going over the user testing platform in this video, and more importantly, how you can make up to $100 a day, even as a complete beginner in your spare time. More with that after the intro. Good morning, my beautiful people. Mike Vestillo. Welcome to this video. Before we actually begin, I'll remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop, where it is the fastest and the easiest way to make money online, even faster than this method right now. So check it out in the free workshop below. With that being said, let's talk about user testing, because it's pretty interesting on how people could actually make income on the side. We're going to go over it. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do to get involved and why people are actually willing to pay you money for this, why this makes sense. I know this sounds a little bit ridiculous. Why would companies pay me money to go ahead and review products? It just doesn't make any sense from like a financial standpoint. But when you see the numbers, you will see why startups like Walmart, Capital One, Facebook, Quip, Domino's, Grammarly actually will pay these company money to have you review it so that you get money in return, if that makes sense. And how essentially how it works is see, hear, and talk to your customers remotely as they engage with your products, apps, and messaging. This is the unique selling proposition with this platform, because companies want to know if customers actually like their products or not. What do I actually mean by that? Okay, so a couple of years back, we ended up buying a bunch of product for Amazon FBA, right? We were selling physical products to Amazon, and we wanted to see if we would actually make money. We made a huge mistake though. We bought a bunch of products that no one really cared for or wanted. They were dog leashes, like little stretchy dog leashes that I was like, oh my God, this is what's going to be crazy. We're going to get so rich, Dad. And my dad's like, yeah, let's do this. So we ended up literally taking a bunch of money on our credit cards and buying a bunch of obnoxious amount of quantities of dog leashes from China so that we could ship it over here and then send it to Amazon so that we could hope and pray by the Amazon gods that we would go ahead and make money. Guess what? We did not. We've lost thousands of dollars and we did not make money. Now, that is on a lower scheme of things of what big companies like Walmart, Facebook, Quip, Domino's, Grammarly do not want to happen, okay? Because here's the thing. Here was just me and my dad and a line of credit that we had with our credit card, okay? That, like, worst case scenario, we would just have to, just us two find a way to pay back the credit card debt. Now, when you have companies that employ hundreds, if not thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people all around the world, all of their employees are an overhead cost. Meaning, if Facebook can't make, X amount of dollars per month to pay off their employees, guess what? That company goes bankrupt very fast. Same thing with Grammarly, same with Domino's, same thing with Walmart. With these big companies, they depend on sales from their customers to pay all the staff and to keep the business on. Now, the problem that they do not want to face is they don't want to unleash a new product line to the masses if they don't realize if it's going to make sales or not. Like on a higher end of things, if Walmart wants to sell a product, they would need to have millions of products throughout all of their stores. They have to do all of the logistics with all of the shipping and the handling and their online platform and whatnot. And every single time they put something on their shelves, they are wasting money if it doesn't sell. And they have like a higher overhead cost. Like for me and my dad, my dad had a job, I had a job. We would be fine, okay? But if this company cannot make a profit, they cannot pay their employees. That's why they want to be very careful whenever they launch products. Because unlike me, who launched several thousands of products on Amazon, these people are launching millions and millions of products to millions of people. That is a huge cost, which is why what they want to do is they want to reach out to a very small section of people to see if they actually enjoy this product. So for example, say Domino's, it's like, hey man, we got this new pizza. So let's say Domino's was like, hey, we got this new pizza. Instead of putting it in all of those, like say it's like what's like a weird pizza conversation? Oh, we created this mayonnaise pizza. Oh my God, this mayonnaise pizza is gonna be the next best thing. And if Domino's didn't do their research, imagine if they bought like 30 million tubs and liters and gallons of mayonnaise. That's a cost to them. And they shipped it out to all of these different Domino's all around the world, right? And guess what? They launch it and everyone's like, ew, mayonnaise on pizza? That's weird. And they don't buy it. And now Domino's has all of these mayonnaise pizzas or mayonnaise tubs that they literally wasted money on. They can't get a return of their investment. That's why they'd rather be like, okay, let me go to usertesting.com and maybe I create a pizza but only to like 100 people, okay? I just want to see how these 100 people react, because how these 100 people will react is most likely how the rest of the world is going to react. Does that make sense? So what they would do is they would literally partner with a user testing. They would ship 100 pizzas out to people. They're like, hey, cook this. Let me know how it tastes and whatnot. And in real time, they get to see exactly if we should invest in 1 million tubs of mayonnaise to send out to all these Domino's, or we should just scrap it because it's going to be a waste of time. This is exactly how people are willing and able to get paid, because you are saving these companies millions and millions of dollars. They'll pay you $10 to $20 for 20 minutes of your time if it means saving them millions of dollars, okay? And they have a budget to do so for this. So it's pretty simple. You can just check out the demo, check out the video here. And like on a business standpoint, we target exactly who we want to see if this would resonate with. So for example, women ages 25 to 54. How do they react to this product? How do they engage to this product? If we discover something that we do not like, maybe we do not target these people when it comes to marketing. Now on your guys' end, if you guys go all the way to the top and type in get paid to test, this is where you guys come in. Top brands want to hear from you. Get paid to share your opinion and experiences, make things you care about better. So how it works, you sign up, you take tests, you give feedback on the products that you love and use today, and you earn $10 for every 20-minute test that you go ahead and complete. So this is something that you can go ahead and do on the side. And like I said, there's over 1.2 million payments to participants in 2019 alone. 35,000 brands influenced, 3 million plus tests taken. And you know, Tracy M was able to do it, makes money on the side. Colin S make money on the side. Joanne L make money on the side. Now the thing about this isn't an online business, okay? So what I would do is if you have your job and you're spending all of your money from your job to pay off the bills, you know, send your kids to college, buy pizzas, enough income to, you know, pay for the rent and the car payment and the insurance and whatnot. What I would do is do this on the side to then start building some cash flow on that side to then maybe invest in an online business. This won't give you freedom, okay? This won't make you the ability to travel around the world and do the things that it is that you love, but it could be a head start. I got on a phone call with somebody that was on our free workshop list. Every single now and then I do like free coaching sessions, one-on-one or one-to-many, just to see who are the people that are on my email subscriber list to hang out, to build this networking communication. And there's this one girl, she was in her 50s. And the thing is, she would do little sites like user testing and surveys to just make enough money on the side so that when she would start an online business, which of course would take some capital, you're not like opening up a barber shop, which takes like $250,000. You're not opening up a McDonald's, which takes like $1 million. You're not opening up a franchise, right? You need maybe like a website, a little bit of hosting, maybe like $10, $20, $30, $50 here, you know, a domain for $12 a year, right? You're going to need some money. To mitigate her risk, what she did, instead of taking money off of her job, which all of that money was literally going to the bills, she did little sites like this to build up a little nest egg where she said, okay, because I made this money online, I will use this in learning how to make money online. And that's exactly how she stumbled upon affiliate marketing and learned how to scale from there to sell other people's products and services by leveraging these things, a little bit of her spare time, to then take that and turn that into a full-time online income by making money online, guys. And if you need help with that, I would recommend joining this week's free workshop where we're teaching people how to go from 0 to 100 to even $1,000 a day. We have grandmothers doing it within as little as 90 days. Check it out in the free workshop below. And I'm really curious, what are your thoughts on user testing? Have you tried it before? Or would you rather just skip this and start making money online elsewhere? What are those ways that you're curious about? Comment below and let me know, because I'll make a bunch of videos like this. And with that being said, I love you guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.